I'm Marcus, and I'm introducing to you the Dcubed Nano Pin Puller today. The Dcubed Nano Pin Puller is a small but very powerful release mechanism based on shape memory material. It is made out of hard anodized 7075 aluminum, and it's fully redundant, which means it has two independent trigger lines and additionally has telemetry, so it gives you feedback on its actuation state. One of the biggest benefits of shape memory actuators is how easy you can trigger and reset them. Let me show you how to do that. All you do is connect the power supply with 2 amps to one of the trigger lines, and once you push the button, the pin retracts. Now to reset, you have 2 options. Either you do a front reset by pulling the pin back out, or a back reset by pushing it back in its original state. I'm using a reset tool to do that. And just like that, you're back in flight configuration.